In news that will be of surprise to no one, given how we know elites in this country have a different system, Biden's niece Caroline, 33, gets 20 days in rehab instead of 6 months in jail under plea deal cut with DA for DUI after she crashed into a tree in Pennsylvania. Only 6 months for a DUI. Interesting. That's one hell of a deterrent, isn't it? It says here she crashed her car into a tree in Pennsylvania in August 2019. On November 4th, the day after the election, she was arraigned. Over a year to get arraigned. Interesting. On December 3rd, she was sentenced to 20 days to 6 months of confinement. She will not face prison time, though, and has instead been committed to rehab. They're trying to send me to rehab. That bitch said, yeah. Rehab. Nice! Maybe this is normal for more people. I don't know. I've never had a DUI. Never going to have a DUI. Maybe this is normal. You tell me, all of you individuals that have had DUIs out there. In 2017, she admitted in New York to spending $110,000 on a stolen credit card. It gets deeper. In 2013, she was accused of assaulting a NYPD officer who broke up a fight. Now that he's going in there, can he get her record just totally cleaned? Totally expunged? Can we just say that this never happened? Come on, Joey. Make it happen. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Hold the phones. This was January 2018. I know she's past 30 and her wall and everything, but hold the... Woo. I'm feeling a little drunk right now. Dang, baby. I'll ride with her. If she's a drunk driver, I'll roll with her. I'll be her passenger anytime. What's up, girl? Call me. I need some of those legal services, too. I could use a hookup. The New York Post reported in July that at least 8 other incidents involving members of the Biden family had seen the family avoid jail term. She will be on probation, said Kate Delano, a spokeswoman for the Montgomery County DA. Should she then violate or break the law at any time, then she will be on the hook for the rest of the sentence. No, she won't. She was also ordered to pay $1,990 in fines and legal costs and participate in a public or nonprofit community service program for 12 hours. I'm guessing they're going to send an extra in her place and get those hours signed off on somehow. Her license was also suspended for a year, and she will be compelled to participate in a drug and alcohol awareness program. Delano said she'll be rolling a limo around for a year. Even better. Baby, Caroline, call me. I'll roll in the limo with you. You can get as drunk as you want now. Biden, the daughter of Joe's brother James, you know a little bit about him, right? Was caught in August 2019 in Lower Merion Township after crashing her car into a tree. Jeffrey Siemens, the officer who arrested her, noted that she had difficulty focusing on the conversation as he questioned her. She was also driving without a license. No word from the officer whether she pulled the "Do you know who I am" card, or, I guess in this case, "Do you know who my uncle is?" Whoa! Hold up, what happened was, wait, what is this? I feel deceived. Bear with me, this was, okay, this is tight right here, cool, but this is totally, okay, so this is 2018. Is this 2020? I hereby retract the statements that I made earlier. Her car contained pill bottles for the muscle relaxant and pain treatment carisoprodol and lorazepam, which is commonly used to relieve anxiety. Both of them are controlled substances. Did she have a prescription? We'll assume so, because if not, they would have, dropped the hammer on her. A blood test later confirmed those and other drugs were in her system at the time of the crash. Biden's arraignment was held on November 4th, one day after the presidential election. A court spokesperson insisted the date was auto-generated and its post-election timing coincidental. Mike Gottlieb, a Norristown, Pennsylvania attorney with experience in DUI cases, told the New York Post the ruling was fair for a first offense. Well, I guess if this Attorney says so, then I guess. I don't know. We'll see if any of you ever get a DUI, if you get the old tap. Not even a tap, but a little, just a, ooh, don't do it again. You don't have to go to jail, just go to rehab. It's not an unusual sentence to get credit for the time in rehab. So truthfully, I don't think she was treated any differently than any of my clients would have been, he told the Post. It's not Biden's first run-in with the law. We learned about that and what they talked about above. There she is. That's 2018 with the stolen credit card charges. Still looking a little cool then, but she got some nice guns there. Look at the forearm action. She's been doing some forearm curls, that's for sure. She admitted it in court in 2017 to using an unidentified victim's credit card at C.O. Bigelow Apothecary in the West Village of Manhattan between April 2015 and June 2016. So you're telling me all that time she was using an unidentified victim's card for over a year, ran up $110,000, and it took that long to figure it out? In June 2017, she agreed to pay it off and do community service. Biden was also arrested in 2013 during a scuffle with her roommate for attacking an officer who responded to their apartment. The officer was unharmed, and Biden again avoided jail. The rich, they live by different rules. The mindset. And here is the Biden family legal trouble for you to look over. But the mindset of the rich, or those that are in some way in power, totally different from the mindset that a lot of us would have, that we wouldn't get ourselves into these situations often. Most of us wouldn't anyway. The thought would never cross our minds, but I think it's kind of the privileged mentality that you have from a young age, where you're brought up in an environment where there aren't rules, or where no is never a word, where your parents don't bust out the wooden spoon and beat that ass when you do something wrong as a kid, like most of us got. The spoon, the belt, the plastic spatula, whatever the moms could grab from the kitchen, I got them all. And as I said before, I turned out okay. I turned out okay, I swear. But the mentality, that's how it has to be. Now, I don't have that, but that's just a feeling I have. Is just the mentality has to be from an early age, and blame piss poor parenting that the rules don't apply to you. An assumption, I could be wrong on that. Fine upstanding part of the Biden crime syndicate. If she had been a Trump, she would be crucified. The Biden crime family in action, nice family. President-elect, the next 4 years are going to be fun, trying to keep the family misfits in line. It certainly runs in the family. Well done, USA. You've elected a real gem. Geez, those Bidens are all addicts. Nepotism already starting. What a family. You get it. All the comments are the same thing. I'm sure there's got to be some other comments that don't agree with this stuff, but you know what it is. We know that the justice system definitely has two paths. One for the powerful, connected, and rich, and the other for the rest of us. People like to talk about it being a race-based thing. The reality is, for you watching this, if you're not white like me, the reality is that if either of us did all of this stuff that she has done and the other Bidens have done, that we wouldn't be afforded the same treatment. Skin color doesn't matter. It's about your money, your politics, how connected you are. It seems like it's always been that way, which is unfortunate. Hopefully things change, but I doubt they will. It's a downer. All right, Caroline, if we can get you back to that 2018 version of you, first photo, or even the one with the post-gym arm flex going on, then you call me. If you're looking like the other one, post-wall, lose my number, baby. All right, everybody, be well. Thanks for watching. And if you decide to go out and drink during the holidays, get with a friend, have a loved one drive you, or get an Uber. Remember, you aren't going to get the same justice that the Bidens get. Take care, everyone.